The first
Okay.
question is, what according to you constitutes an ideal physical eyewear retail outlet?
So ideal physical or retail outlet stands with first, it should be equipped with good optometry instruments and optometrists, which lacks in the online outlet and the personal touch.
आपके हिसाब से क्या चीज बिकती है? Like I would want you to define the optimum product or the brand mix that you would want to keep in the outlet so that you achieve maximum sales.
ऑप्टिमम टिकट साइज अगर कोई अच्छा आउटलेट है, रिटेल आउटलेट कंसिडरिंग, सो दे शुड नॉट फोकस फॉर द प्राइस वॉर. सो ऑप्टिमम अगर बजट टिकट साइजिंग भी अपने देखे तो 3,000 से 5,000 विच इज द ऑप्टिमम टिकट साइज. सो वी कैन कीप ब्रांड्स बिटवीन दिस साइज मोर.
And what would be an ideal size of an inventory for a luxury retail store like yours?
1,500 to 2,000 SKUs.
What are the key factors which enable you to arrive at a decision while stocking?
For the stocking, we particular in my stores, all the stores, we stock up with minimum brands. Still, if we keep a X brand, then we will keep the whole inventory of the X brand. Like 30 to 40 pieces is optimum for any good outlet for a particular brand. So rather stocking up the multiple brands, instead we can do the limited brands with the good SKUs, number of SKUs.
Now, in your opinion, can luxury eyewear be sold online or digitally?
Never.
Now, if we have to enable selling eyewear and especially luxury eyewear online, what are the key aspects involved, or what are the reasons why it cannot be?
First reason, that the luxury, if someone is buying frames like Silhouette, Maybach, or be it Lindbergh, those brands give the wearing comfort. So customer can't make out the difference between the Lindbergh or the Silhouette unless you try it out physically. So virtual try-on can't give you the comfort of the frame. It can just give you the look.
Considering your reply that it's very difficult for the luxury eyewear to be sold online or digitally, do you think the kind of narrative which is coming up in the market, should physical selling ideally be replaced by a digital, or it should be a mix of both?
Mix of both can be considered.
And in your opinion, can we support as an industry, being a very niche, and luxury eyewear especially is a very fraction of a entire segment. VR and digital space needs a lot of investment. Do you think that kind of an investment can be made easily by a retail outlet like yours?
No, sir. I just give you one example. If my presence is available in Ahmedabad for the 5 locations, just to make customer aware about that we are present at 5 outlets, we need to invest a huge in billboards or the newspaper advertisement. And the Ahmedabad is just a smaller part of the country. So while for the digital space, we need to cover the whole country to make aware that we are digitally available. And it requires a lot of investment, which is not cup of tea of any retail outlet, be it any top optician also. I have seen many opticians who are online, but they are not making good with that online space.
Could you elaborate on your views on an ideal digital outlet? You being yourself a luxury eyewear buyer, want you to imagine, what kind of a ideal digital outlet would be like.
I won't say the exact the digital outlet, but the physical and the digital outlet can be mixed. That can help retailer also for them to keep the inventory low. So we can put a kiosk with a virtual try-on. As I said before, that if we are trying a silhouette frame and the customer needs a golden color in it, so he can try the comfort of the silhouette frame on a black frame, and then we can order the golden frame from the vendor also.
Right.
And for the golden frame, he can look from the try-on also. So that could be the future I can see for the digital outlet.
What possibly should the digital in-store merchandising display be like? And what kind of promotions do you think could be run inside the store? Now, considering that, in a physical retail outlet, you have a shelf which is dedicated to a particular brand, and then, there are certain visuals or something which, accentuates that display. And this is how the, walk-ins generally get attracted to a particular product.
See, I can say the merchandising should be to attract the customer, but my call is that for the merchandising should be on a spectacle lenses rather for the frames. In store, I'm talking about the in store. So I would suggest to a particular dedicated area to make understand customer about the lenses. And that time you can use your digital devices like iPad to customer know about the progressive design or anti-reflection or again the blue light protection.
More so to educate the consumer.
Yes, as a physical, because we have that luxury being a physical outlet that we can educate customer face to face. Rather, he comes with from the Google ideas and everything.
Right.
So that luxury is lacking in the online.
How would you do the marketing of this digital outlet in case we set up one? As you have already said, about huge billboards, advertising budgets, and also now in case it is the requirement of the future and we need to set up one. What according to you would be the ideal way to market it?
Again, the conventional way. If I am setting up a kiosk in future into my store, I will advertise that kiosk is available at my store with the billboards or the social media.
In your opinion, how will the luxury behavior of the luxury consumer evolve post-COVID?
Zero change.
The habits remain the same.
Yeah, the habit remains the same. He will buy if someone is wearing a spectacle of 30,000 rupees, he will buy next time for the 30,000 only. But maybe the duration will be 1-2 months longer. Because the luxury consumer can't suppress their aspiration for a long time. That I believe.
Again, coming back to a general question and, almost given an answer to me on that also. But, I'll still want you to summarize. Now, given that luxury purchase is an immersive hands-on experience, do you think digital will play a larger role post-COVID?
No, sir. Just we need to make them assured that our outlet is enough sanitized and safe for them. To communicate that a personal one-to-one interact will work main if we call them or a WhatsApp message to them that you can buy luxury with the same feel and same safety as before.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you.
views. We are delighted to have you on board, and we will be in touch again.